Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we have A2 level lesson. Our topic will be good news, bad news. So we will talk about news. So topic will be about some good news, bad news. So our aim will be improving your communicative skills, writing skills, speaking skills, and enlarging your vocabulary and also your vocabulary in about news. So our objectives will be to identify what is news and to define the role of importance of news, to look at the types of news, study the source of news, and explain what is past simple and past continuous. Of course, we will cover some grammar of this lesson. So, what is news? You can pause this video and think about for a few seconds and give your answer. What is news? My version: news is information about recent events or developments that are important, interesting, or useful to people. Role and importance of news. So we have like roles like informer, educator, watchdog, and connector. So what is importance of this? For example, informer gives some information about some event or something, like maybe announcement or something. So making people aware. Aware means like know. So make people know about some information. Educator, it's like giving some knowledge also about some event. And you can see other types, roles, and try to think or try to find some more information about these roles. Okay. Now we have types of news, and this is, for example, political news, economic, business news, social news, and we have different types of news, right? For example, political, as it says, we talk about politics. So every type, as it says, is about social news. Yeah, like what's happening in the society, cultural news about what kind of cultural events happened recently, and etc. Look at the sources of news. Traditional media, digital media, social media, and other sources. So choosing the source of information is very important. So, and it might be different for every person. For example, I mostly use digital media for news. Like I get information from online news websites and online TV like websites. For example, BBC News or New York Times. Yeah. And traditional media, it's like real, like a paper. Yeah, newspaper, paper version, a real life version, and television. It's like so. From all times we have these types of news, and social media, like a lot of people nowadays get information from social media, but it might be sometimes it might be there might be false information. So be careful what you read. So if you get some news, make sure it is like be careful making decisions from this news. So you need to check, we need to double check it, this information. And other resources like magazines and podcasts. And word of mouth means like your friends or relatives tell you about some news. So you need to be careful about is it reliable. So be careful, and you need to be sure that it is reliable. What is reliable? It is like you can trust. It is like correct information and true information, so you can trust it. Now let's look at this grammar, past simple and past continuous grammar of this topic. So past simple, it's like the events that happened yesterday or in the past, right? Past continuous is also happened in the past, but it's like exact situation or period or moment in the past. Let's look at the form, look at the formula. So past simple, it's about like subject plus verb, verb to, you can say, or past form of this verb. For example, you don't say I go, you say I went. Or not I open, you say I opened it, I watched it, I visited, like second form of this verb. So subject plus verb to, right? So it describes finished actions and events in the past. Yeah. She opened the door and sat down. I saw him yesterday. So this event happened yesterday, for example. There are words like yesterday, ago, last month, last year. These words show that action happened in the past. So be careful when you use this grammar. And past continuous, it's like also past, like looks like past simple, but the exact moment is important. The situation or moment is important. For example, she was reading when the phone rang. So the process and action. So what was the process? She was reading something. It was process of reading, right? And the phone rang. It's past simple. She was reading. It's a past continuous, and phone rang is past simple. So formula is subject, like person, yeah? I, you, we, they, subject, was, were, and verb ing. Like I was reading, you were reading. She was reading, they were reading. So was, were, different, yeah? Next, we have quotations about news. Read this very carefully, and it will be your homework to understand them and write some comments. And what did you learn? Write me, what did you learn from these quotations? Like news is what somebody somewhere wants to suppress. All the rest is advertising. What is like suppress? Like pressing, yeah, like pressure. Like news is, it means like somebody somewhere wants to give you that information, like make this information popular, yeah. And all the rest is advertising. Advertising, it's like from advertisements, ads of products, like you can buy, yeah, they want to sell you. So there might be a lot of things coming along with the news, right? Advertising and other things like informations, maybe politics, yeah, false information. So we need to have critical thinking and be careful with that information. Now we have questions. What is the definition of the term news? So read these questions and answer them in written form or record a audio voice message. Now we have writing task, another task for you, homework. Choose one of the topics and write an essay. Another task, case study task, read the background and give your answers in a written form. Let's conclude this lesson. So what did we do today? We defined the term news. So we understood it's we gave a definition for it. We understood role and importance of news. News were defined. We looked at the types of news, and we looked at the sources. So there are different sources of news, and of course we looked at the grammar, and we have different types, two types, past simple and past continuous, and they are similar, but anyway, there is a difference. So we have references. This is extra information. You can go to these websites and find some extra information. Thank you very much.